Now let's talk about sending and receiving cryptocurrencies using your Cash App wallet. First, we need to buy some Bitcoin. Go to the Bitcoin section of the app and place a purchase. For example, I'll buy $20 worth. Click Next, then Confirm. After fees, my balance shows $19.46. To send or receive crypto, tap the up and down arrow button, which gives you the option to send or receive. Let's start by sending. Tap Send at the top, enter the amount you want to send, say $10 worth of Bitcoin, and then tap the blue Send button. You can send via a Bitcoin address or a Lightning invoice. For this tutorial, I'll demonstrate sending to a Bitcoin address in my demo Coinbase account. To get your Bitcoin wallet address, open Coinbase, go to Portfolio, search for Bitcoin and click on it. Tap Transfer, then Receive and copy your wallet address. Back in Cash App, paste the address, select it and tap Next. At this point, you'll need to verify your identity. This involves uploading a photo ID and taking a selfie to confirm that you match the ID. Start by choosing your ID type, driver's license, state ID, passport or permanent resident card. Allow camera access and follow the prompts to capture photos of the front and back of your ID. Then take a selfie, turning your face slightly left and right for verification. Next, complete a brief questionnaire about your Bitcoin usage, income source, and employment status. For example, select investing as the reason you use Bitcoin, indicate your income comes from employer and investments, and set your employment status, e.g., self-employed with a job title like influencer. Finally, choose the withdrawal speed. Cash App offers priority, 3.24 fee, fast, rush, 1.70 fee, 2 hours, standard, free, 24 hours. I'll select standard for this demo. After confirming the details, tap Confirm and Send, enter your Cash App PIN, and your withdrawal is initiated to the Coinbase wallet. You can now monitor the transfer in your Coinbase account.